Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. We take a look today at Euro Pound. In Euro Pound, and in Elliott wave terms, from the count that we have, we are proposing that we are currently within red wave Y. If you see the red wave X there, it means that whatever follows after it would be a red wave Y, or the minor degree wave Y, right? And then within the minor degree wave Y, from this peak here going lower, we had an A B as a running flat, and a C. We're proposing that this is actually a W in the minor degree within wave Y in the red degree. So W in the green rather. And then this is an X there, and then we're going to be expecting a Y lower, okay? That's one possibility. Another possibility could be that if this is A and this is C, C could actually be here. In other words, a W there. Let me just move the labels. So we could be having our 3 somewhere here, our 4 there, our 5 there, for wave C to be there, and therefore W to be there. And we could be having our X here like that, and we could be having our Y as a short Y. So as a short Y, okay, and ending here, meaning that our Y in red could very well be there. Okay, then this move, especially because it looks like an impulse, could be a move that marks a change in direction or trend to the upside, since the Y leg in the red degree would have completed there. Okay, so I've presented to you 2 scenarios, and I want us to take a look at them. From this peak here, we see that in A and in C, we are likely having equal legs. Okay, we can make use of a Fib extension 2 to that effect and verify that. One can see that if C ends here, right, where we propose in this view could have ended, we already have 100% equal leg there within W. And then X could be an expanding flat correction, and Y could be a shorter leg lower. All right. So to check again, if within this whole move, Y in red, our X could be done, our Y rather could be done in red. The whole move could be done in red. We also meet the guidelines. If this is W and if this is X, Y in red can be anywhere between 0.618 extension of W and 161.8. So 0.618 to 161.8% extension. So it's 61.8% to 161.8% extension of W within Y, okay? So it's possible. Now you want to ask yourself, the question is to, could Y in red really be done here? Or can we expect more downside? If we expect more downside, what about the fact that this looks like an impulse? It looks so impulsive. It could be starting a move to the upside. Are we ignoring that? How do we conclude? Since if we say W is done there, X is done there, and Y is done there in green for a Y in red, we have met the guidelines, in as much as we may expect it to continue lower. But looking at the structure, itself, especially from this low to that peak there, which looks impulsive, can we then say we are done with our Y in green there? Meaning the W in purple and XY in purple would be this one. And our Y would be there. And our Y in green would be here. And so would our Y in red. And would be looking upside instead. and the invalidation level would move to the bottom side instead. Okay, even though Y looks significantly shorter than W, right? In spite of the fact that it satisfies all the rules. Structurally, this looks shorter. We can see that, we have confirmed it. But what are we saying? Are we saying our X is here and we're expecting Y lower to break lower than this? Or are we saying that our X is where it is currently and this is a move to the upside, even though we can see that our Y in green, it's shorter, took a very short period of time to take place compared to what W would have. Okay, though we don't analyze time, but we would expect the distribution in this leg and that leg to complement each other, even though they meet the guideline requirements. Okay, so now the question is, which of these two views, one of them being upside from here on, the other one being downside from here on, are we looking at? As a possibility with the higher probability. Okay, so to answer that question, I invite you to become part of the family by logging on to www.tradingwaves.com and visit our education programs or offers. You'll see there's a variety of them there. And we do offer programs which would address the question that I've just posed here. Okay, so we're looking forward to welcoming you on board. I hope you enjoy the video. Cheers.